Are you tired of lugging your laundry to the laundromat or struggling to fit a bulky washing machine in your small apartment? Introducing the portable foldable mini washing machine. This mini washing machine comes with the strong suction cups. You can open the lid and unfold the machine like this. Using this portable mini washing machine is incredibly simple. Just fill it with water, add detergent and clothes, and connect the USB Type-C code. Then turn it on. The machine can wash 8.5-liter laundry at once, and the wash cycle typically lasts for 5 to 12 minutes. After washing your clothes, drain out the water. Now place the drain basket and put the clothes into the basket. Close the lid and press the time button you want, and making them quicker to dry. After you are done, you can easily fold it and carry it in your luggage. The portable foldable mini washing machine is perfect for people who live in small spaces, travel frequently, or need a backup washing machine. Its portability and convenience make it an excellent addition to any home or apartment. Thanks for watching.